Yeah, you're lazy. Yeah. How about standing up and eating? How's that? No? It's your tail. I think the bowl's empty. It's your foot. Oh, you gotta fly. Stand up. It's an airplane. It's okay. It's an airplane. It's okay. Airplane. It's okay. Buddy, really? Really? Oh, did you get up? How about that? Okay, all done. It's all gone. It's all gone. All done. Why don't you have some water or a salad? Give me the bowl. All done. Give me the bowl. Okay. All done. Was that good? Was that good? Yeah, have some water. Oh, you're so lazy. You're such a lazy puppy. Such a lazy puppy. Oh, boy. All right. Is that the wind? Yeah? No, don't chew the bowl. Oh, okay. Is that it? All right then. I guess that's it, huh? Don't want to get up? You don't want to come here? You want to play? What? Nothing? Just... What? That's it? Is that it? You know your face is all wet, your ears, your paws. Yeah. No, don't knock it over. Then you won't have any water. No, don't bite the bowl. Is that your buddy? Is that your bowl? Is that your best friend? I wonder if Jimmy Fallon knows this. That you're such a lazy puppy. You're such a lazy puppy.